Hey guys, today we're going to do another problematic product review. I went ahead and got the other Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette that I've been eyeballing. It's the Bling Boss. So let's just appreciate how gorgeous these colors could be, right? Look at them. Oh my god. This one in particular, what the hell? Oh my god. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is I'm going to do a finger swatch of each of them, I'm going to do a brush swatch, and then I'll do an eye look so you can see all of the different ways it shows up. Let's get a little coffee. Okay, so we're gonna get into Bling Bling. Ooh. We're going to put it right here. Oh my, girl. She has pigment, doesn't she? Now we're gonna go into Hush Hush, which is I think probably the only like transition shade this palette has. And we're gonna put that right next to Bling Bling. That's interesting. It's really funny because in the pan it looks more, I guess it doesn't look as pink toned as it is, but I love it. And then we're gonna go into Gem, which is that crazy purple, which it feels really soft and good, you guys. Okay, we're gonna put that, look at me. We're gonna put that right here. Girl, woo! Destroyed, deceased, done. Okay, so next we're going to go into Pizzazz. There we go. We're just gonna put it right there. Ooh. So far we're doing good, right? Okay, so now we're gonna go into Mystic, which is this kind of burgundy shade over here. Pick some up. Looks pretty good there. Ooh. Honey. Honey, that's patchy. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna go back to this part and we're going to get Sparks, which is kind of a, it's a red, but it's like a deep, warm tone red. We're gonna pick that up. Feels really smooth and nice. We're just gonna put it right there. A little patchy maybe, but that's definitely not unworkable. We could definitely work with that. Glitz and Glam, kind of a rose gold, very glitter, very shimmer. Oh my god. It's gonna be insane, guys. Whoo! Ah, I'm in love. That is gorgeous. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Rockstar, which is kind of a purpley burgundy. I don't really know if I'm great at describing colors, but a little patchy girl. I did use this color the other day. I feel like it was okay, but I also layered it on top of other colors. That definitely is a thing that, you know, can make a shadow appear less patchy, I think. Okay, so now we're gonna do Ballsy, which is, it's kind of got this like, has a shift. We're gonna pick up some of that, oh my. Now we're gonna put that right here. Yeah, all of these shimmers, honestly, are showing up really nice. The last one, this is my favorite color in this, it's called Berry Treasure. Now, you're gonna see why this is my favorite. Let's just put it right there. Oh my god. Okay, so it's kind of brown looking, right? But it's got this crazy shift where you get some gold and some kind of, there's like pink glitter in the, oh my god. Unfortunately on the eye, I don't really feel like it shows up that well. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you what I mean by that today because I don't know if I want to use it in an eye look. But here we go. Here's all of the finger swatches. We have Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, Mystic, Sparks, Glitz Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and Buried Treasure. You can see some are hits, some are misses. Really, honestly, more of them than not seem to be hits based on those swatches. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and do brush swatches. And for this, we're just gonna use this flat Morphe brush. I feel like this will give us pretty good results. Okay, so we're just gonna go into Bling Bling right here. Pick some up on the brush. And we're just gonna put it right here. Not amazing. Honestly, it kind of looks more like a topper color when you use a brush with it. Okay, we're gonna pick up Hush Hush. A lot of it comes up on the brush. We're gonna put that right there. One swipe, it doesn't really show up that great. Kind of work it a little bit, it does, I guess, but it's not, you know, it never claimed to be like crazy color. It's a transition shade, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna go into Gem. Oh, honey. Put that right there. You know, it's fine, right? Let's kind of work at it and see what happens. It blends nice, I think, you know? That's okay. Okay, now we're gonna go into Pizzazz. Ooh, picks up on the brush nice. I'm gonna put that right here. It's fine, right? It seems really easy to build. I'm just kind of patting at it. It's building nice. Cool. All right, now we're going into Mystic. Ooh. Disappointment. Let's see. It seems like you can build it up, kind of. I mean, you can build it up, but it's funny how less pigmented it is than you would think it is from how it looks on the brush. Okay, now we're gonna go into Sparks. Looks crazy on the brush. Okay. It shows up pretty nice. That's pretty good. I'm running out of room for swatches, you guys. Oh no. I'm gonna pick up Glitz Glam, which looks outrageous. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh. It doesn't take very much to make that opaque either. That's nice. We are straight up running out of room. We're gonna have to resort to coming back here. Okay, so now we're gonna go in Rockstar. Really pretty. I'm just gonna put it back here by Bling Bling. It's fine, right? It's a little patchy, but it looks like it builds pretty well. See, with brush swatches, I don't feel super bad about kind of blending them in when I show them to you because they're brush swatches. That's what you would do with a brush. You're never going to take a brush and that's it. You're done. We're taking Ballsy. We're putting it back here. Really faint. Not super opaque, but you can definitely see the shift, right? It's pretty good. And now Buried Treasure. Pick some of that up. Oh my God. Oh, like, it's crazy. It looks very brown, but then when you pick it up on the brush, it looks almost black, right? We're gonna take Buried Treasure. We're gonna put it right there. Right, okay, you see how black it shows up? I mean, not, it looks charcoal, really. It does not look brown when you put it on with a brush. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay, so that's, we are done with the swatching portion. There's all of the finger swatches once again. Here's all of the brush swatches. Honestly, the brush swatches are definitely better, I think. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do an eye look. Before we go in with our transition shade and start off this look, we're going to take a little Coty Airspun and set this. All right, so now we're gonna go in with that transition shade. We're just gonna plop it where transition shades go. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go with Sparks. Honey. Oof. And let's just work Sparks into the crease. Okay, that looks insane. We're going to blend the edge of that a little bit. Let's go in with Mystic. That guy. And we're just gonna kind of like put that in the outer corner, deepen things up. Oh my god. Just go in with the eyeshadow base. Take some of that on a brush. I'm gonna do a little blending around that. Okay, now we're gonna go in with a flat brush and we're gonna pick up Glitz Glam. I have no idea how this is gonna look. I'm gonna try it dry. Just gonna put that over this. Woof! Oh my. I mean, it definitely shows up, right? Let's take some of my transition shade Hush Hush to kind of blend everything together. Oh, this is weird. Ring powers are limited. Because now that I'm at this stage, it's getting a little bit harder to blend. I'm gonna take some of my Coty Airspun and I'm just gonna kind of put it up here. Try to clean up. I'm not obsessed. I'm not going to blame the palette entirely for that, because I was a little weirdly ambitious, but we're gonna go ahead and take a little Sparks underneath. I'm gonna take it all the way. I'm going to take some Mystic, put that on the outside there. Okay, and now I'm going to take a little Bling Bling and put that in the inner corner right here. Just a little. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to kind of soften the edges down here. I'm going to do some liner and some mascara and I'll come back and see where we're at. Okay, so some final thoughts. I generally like the palette, okay? I think it's a win. For 15 bucks, you get way more hits than misses. Before I put liner on, I was a little more doubtful about this look, but honestly, now that I have it on, like, I kind of love it. It's not as clean as it could be for sure, but I kind of love it. Of course, you know, my skills are part of what limits the whole thing, and I mean, I'm not bad at makeup, but I'm not as good as some people, right? Anyway, the color payoff is pretty good. Actual blending it on the eye, didn't really have any issues with that. More or less, I think it's a win. I like it. So, if this teaches you anything, it's you can make it work. you know? Honestly, I feel like this one is better than Dark Magic, which I did another video on that may or may not be up when this one is up. But this has more hits than Dark Magic. I would say the misses might be, like, I love Berry Treasure, but I really wish that it showed up the way it does in the pan, because it's a lot more charcoaly, like almost black. I wish there was a highlights shade that isn't, you know, because I would really like to be able to make a look just with this and not have to bring in anything else at all, which means I don't want to have to bring in a highlight color. I don't want to mess with that. I want it to all be included in the palette, and it wasn't. I did fine, you know, I did fine, but I would prefer to have something like that. But otherwise, these colors are all really gorgeous, and there's a lot of things you can do with them. So I think it's a win. I approve. Anyway, come back next time and check out, you know, more product reviews or get ready with me's or whatever I'm doing. And follow me on all my socials, subscribe, like, comment, all of the fun stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.